Oh yeah, Bonabonwisha. You don't wanna mess with me, my girl. I'm a hooligan. Cool down. Udatichira. Ukazana west jenga tijisa. Kubita once jenga rekura. Yeah. Gavide booty bounce koka kwicha. Modi show modi roka twika. Baby, let me know whenever you home. Nakujera right now. Modi phone no fit in my picture. Harless bad man niko nitkwa. Fuck you right and I touch you right, yeah. We cannot fall in love. We got to keep it too short and sweet. Roll that thing on some Bob Marley. Nsane Bruce the First. Bruce the First wagira ngo mufite hano mu gikapu. Bruce the First is a busy guy, man. Bruce the First is a busy guy. Alright, go call me lucky, yeah. Kuko ndi mu nzozi, yeah. She whines like Queen Latifah. It's a Bonnie and Clyde on her triggers. Yeah, I call you lucky, aye. Kuko ndi mu nzozi, aye. She whines like Queen Latifah. It's a Bonnie and Clyde on her triggers. Ijwi rye niryo numvaga. You done. Oh yeah, Bonabonwisha. You don't wanna mess with me, my girl. I'm a hooligan. Cool down. Udatichira. Ukazana west jenga tijisa. Kubita once jenga rekura. Yeah. Gavide booty bounce koka kwicha. Modi show modi roka twika. Baby, let me know whenever you home. Nakujera right now. Modi phone no fit in my picture. Harless bad man niko nitkwa. Fuck you right and I touch you right, yeah. We cannot fall in love. We got to keep it too short and sweet. Roll that thing on some Bob Marley. Aye, that's a request for a comment I just seen, man. I hope I sang for you, but then we keep moving, man. Oh yeah. Alright, let's keep moving. You don't wanna mess with me, my girl. I'm a hooligan. Hold on, udatichira. Ukazana west jenga tijisa. Kubita once jenga rekura. Hari umuntu uri kubaza ngo virungi gura ngahe, jya kuri botike yo mu rugo iwanyu, kugenda kuri supermarket cyangwa ahantu hose akwegereye, kuri depo uko bimeze kose ntabwo bari buguhende kabisa. I promise you that. Fuck you right, then I touch you right. Bow. We cannot fall in love. We got to keep it too short and sweet. Roll that thing on some Bob Marley. With a Caribbean body, I need come give me that thing. We can fuck and chill. Not gonna be that my sweet nothing. No sweet nothing. Not gonna be that my sweet nothing. No sweet nothing. No. Ntabwo wigiye mwisi Cynthia vugaga kunda Patrick ejo bundi twamubonanye napfa. Let's get to the real comments down here. Abwiye ko hari abantu bari buze kuba bari kutubwira ngo ko turi kunywa twenyine. Nababwiye birunga soba nagihenze, jya kuri boutique ahantu kwegereye hari hose. You going to get it. All right. Now how are we in the same house? That's just lies. Cup. All right. Wambere ndabona ibiri gutinda. I'm just going to select randomly. Niba ari wowe uze kujyaho nyine tuganire tuvugana icyaha. Tubazanye ibibazo bimwe cyangwa bibiri ubundi twikomereza. Takapera kuri mapsisi. I Yenda cheka mwitangiye request ubundi muhita mwiviraho because I'm trying to put you guys on. I've been trying to put you guys on. Nzane Bruce the First. Bruce the First wagira ngo mufite ahantu mu gikapu. Bruce the First is a busy guy, man. Bruce the First is a busy guy. Alright, we managed to get one. Okay, anyways, dusubire muri comment zatuzanye z'indirimbo bayita. Indirimbo bayita. Cedro afite ikibazo Elba, man. That's crazy. Ngo man, abantu bose bavuga ko muri studio uteye ubwoba. Ngira koko imirongo ntujya uyibura. Wapi kabisa Cedro. Imirongo ntabwo igibura, nta munsi n'umwe imirongo igibura kabisa. Ubeshe sing maso inyana. Alright. Bye. Ngo call me lucky, yeah. Kuko ndi mu nzozi, yeah. She whines like Queen Latifah. It's a Bonnie and Clyde on her triggers. Yeah, I call you lucky, aye. Kuko ndi mu nzozi, aye. She whines like Queen Latifah. It's a Bonnie and Clyde on her triggers. Ijwi rye niryo numvaga, like a birdie in the sky. She's a darling, she's a darling, she's a dove. In my eyes, I smell a flower, she's around. I'm my song high, nyana. She's a darling, she's a dove. In my eyes, yeah. Aye, that's enough acapellas. Twakomeje kubyatuzanye. So we drink some more. Roll out this flavor, we pop some more. That's the body, she said uncle. Let's go. Alright. That's crazy. Shimwe, that's 3 minutes ago. The Kubafuye right now, hanga. Stoner 72, he said up. Nyine gongo gona honga hotori. Hari umuntu bita Elise Woodrow. Yanditse ngo White Lisa Miller Melissa Brown Michelle. I have no idea what that means. White Lisa Miller Melissa Brown Michelle. Elise, nubura hanu wadusobanurira please. Uzadutemu dusobanurire ukuntu byagenze. Alright. Much love. Zinko yaravuze ngo let him conquer. Much love to you, Zinko 77. All these are comments from today. Let's go ahantu hakira we see. Anyways, don't forget, sip on your drink. Is Virunga Silver in the building? That's for me. Get yours. The party is the same. Welcome to a Virunga party anyways. Alright. Umuntu bita Lane Kralik yanditse Crooks Vista. Niyo ngiyo ntabwo nzi ikintu sobanuye kabisa. Abantu bose, if you are here, please elaborate for us. Dusobanurire zino comments. Sometimes ntabwo ari jewe nyine zicanga ziba zaducanze twese. Alright. Kwame ihirwe babyeyi Clement yanditse bro urabinkorera kwera. Much respect to you. Namwe murabinkorera byatari. Alright. Alright. We keep going. Simon X H8W ndakwemera urarenze ariko nanjye mfite indirimbo. Wait. Simon yaravuze ngo ndakwemera urarenze ariko nanjye mfite indirimbo bita ndagutekereza by Simon X. Yireba umfashe. Simon dutemo link man, nakuntu twagenda tutayirebye. Wari kuba watayemo link kuri iyi comment yingiye nyine kabisa ku buryo tuhita tuyireba nonaha. Ariko nyine nubishobora nabwoze kongera uyiduteme dukomeze twigendera. Alright, dukomeze. Brown David Martinez Elizabeth Young Hall. Hey. Aye. Let's see. Alright, that's how we're doing it. Nzamura, I sing you any song of yours you want. Okay. Kandebe izina ryawe. Cherish. Reka ngushake Cherish. Cherish, kandi wasanga utigeze na requesting. Ai, nakubonye. Alright, accept. Nagushatse nakubonye. Alright, I don't know what that means either. I don't know. Daniel, stop it. Anyways. Byunguduye. Yaravuze ngo big energy kabisa, big energy, much respect. Anyways, hano tugarutse hano, people from Burundi ndi kubabona, much love and respect. Alright. Turakomeza turi kumva indirimbo nta kibazo. While we wait for Cherish, watubwiye kuri buzamuka ukaturirimbira, ariko ndabona Ewana sinzi uraza kuza cyangwa uza gutindura sanga byarangiye twabyemeje. DJ Flex see you. Ngo bapendeje kuko maniga igihumbi nasinda nguzali kama bia batenaji anatwika maniga igihumbi nasinda. Cheers to everybody, man. Thanks for partying with me. You know, when the party is not there, you make your own party. That's what we say. That's how we do it anyways. Much respect. If you're wrong or sober, you're done. I come in right here, right there. Respect. Okay. Aye. Alright, so Ntwari urakoze cyane no kubaza kino kibazo. Hari abantu ba mbere bari kumbaza ngo wapendeje bisobanura iki. Ntago muzi gupendeza ibyo ari byo man. Iyo wapendeje biba byagenze gute? Yo gupendeza, what is gupendeza? You guys don't know what gupendeza means. Anyways, gupendeza no kuberwa man, no gutaho drip, no kudrippinga muri makero, nuza gutindura sanga bapendeje bagusize wowe wasigaye. Now I mean, King the Jackson, Eric. Much respect to you, man. Much respect to you. Pull up. And then next, you guys have been accepting. You guys when you don't pull up. I don't know how you guys are doing it. DJ Jemima, anyways, yeah. Vibe ni hanze kabisa wa mgani. You guys are disturbing my vibe hanze. Wine. Uza gutindura sanga byahuriye twabyemeje. Unto the next, unto the next. Hirya no hino urasanga byagoranye. Ngo bapendeje kuko maniga igihumbi nasinda nguzali kama bia Badenaji aratwika maniga igihumbi natsinda muzarika mabwira Badenaji aratwika ubaye uwanjye ko twese turi hanze ubaze naje nabuze gato byamira ubaye uwanjye ko twese turi hanze ubaze naje habuze gato byamira Nambaraminye n'izo konta yemeye kumva ubona hageze mubwire gutaha mpaka mu gitondo nasizeho countdown so we drink and we drink and we drink some more roll out the split and we puff some more that's the promise kabisa maniga eso igihumbi natsinda muzarika mabwira Badenaji aratwika mani abantu bari gusaba indirimbo inyinshi man yose indirimbo zabaye nyinshi cyane tuzakora show ubundi dukoresha amatike sibyo bisi ko tuzabigenza Sam aravuze ngo ndaryamye Sam yabyanze we yamaze kuryama sometimes wabikenewe Sam ojitu abantu bose bari kohereza ama big energy n'ama big shout outs man thank you so much muri mwese namwe murabizi okay there's some important notifications bapininze hejuru let's see turashaka video y'impamvu iri mu ma video nayo agomba gutunganywa akabageraho vuba vuba you guys shouldn't worry about that actually put in the comments all the videos you want done kuri album bita Ganza tuzazikoreraho kuko n'ubundi niko kazi turimo we going to work tuzabikoreraho one by one hari abantu bitaba Shaka Haso umuntu wakurakaje ntago ari jewe kabisa ariko yarakurakaje kabisa but remember it's not me it's not moi. 2 more songs and then we out. All right, 2 more songs and izo ndirimbo we can play for the last bit, right? 2 more songs please. Majorane wine song. Okay. Ukwishaka Kevin ngo ukunda kunywa iki kiryohera juice kabisa juice. All right, there's one last song. Okay, 2 more songs and then we bounce it. Don't forget, these my people. We move together. We always together. All right. Someone literally, my comments, since anybody you guys are able to read it, someone around it saying, I want more followers. How can I know what to do about that? If you want more followers, I guess you're going to have to create more content, become a content creator somehow. Anyways, this song by Impamvu is the first one on the album. Also, album by Ganza imaze amezi atatu hanze. If you haven't listened to it, do yourself a favor, go give it a listen. Tugisanga ari indirimbo ushobora kuwakunda kandi yini ushobora kuba atari imwe yonyine. Anyways, give it a try. Unayisharinge ku bavandimwe n'abashiti bawe. Maze kubona umuntu bita Kiriku Akili just dropped in. Kiriku, much respect to you. Much respect, my brother. Much respect. Hey, 71 requests. Let's see. How are we going to get through 71? I'll do another one because we are running out of time. I just done. Biza gusaba kumenya impamvu yahisemo inzira y'ubutayu bikajya gusa nko kwiyahura no gusheta ubuzima n'uhantu ahora acapa ngasinuguma kuko ibindi ni ibyayo seko urashaka impamvu egera hano muri impamvu ya mbere ni izina rye yavukanye ikamba ari uwo mutwaro yikoreye kuza inyuma byombi byari muri dosiye yasinanye hagati y'Uwiteka n'umutima we kuva ari ikidoga afite kimwe mu mutwe kubicamamara akorera ibiceri byuzuye azamura igorofa yikubite mbera muhoze mazi ya kabiri aparike n'indege ikubiye impamvu ya kabiri nuko biri mu mubiri mu maraso nanzo n'igitembere indani mu mitsi apadikara mu rupapuro abigira inshuti magara yonyine yongorera ukuri amasaha ibihumbi 10 yishiye kera kora dawunegi ya kabiri y'ibimutera born to rise and born to shine is day quit the games you know what time it is yo impamvu ya gatatu nuko atigeze amenya ko umutima wahisemo inzira y'ubutayu inzira y'amahwa y'ibirara n'ibisambo biza hagati y'intango uzabimenya n'ubibona agacu ubwenge yisanga mu nzira ataza kwigana mu buzima nuko bimera gusa ntiyatari inzira yarakomeje arakubita ikara akamerika biza gusaba kumenya impamvu yahisemo inzira y'ubutayu Badman uracapa ngasimbuka umwaku kuko ibindi ni ibyayo dano ese kuko urashaka impamvu egera hano murima. All right. Okay, last song. Reka dukore decision imwe. Ngo dore impamvu ya kane iyi mirongo mu ikaye igomba kubyara ibiceri tukava mu dukaye icyarimwe yakushinga byinshi uretse ubuyobe indoro ye ni ikivange cy'inzara n'ubugome kuko nta n'umwe yitezeho umugisha we no gukuba kabuno hasi mpaka gatukuye itafari kuri mpaka igikuta gihagaze nta kibuga cyakomeye cyane kinanirane. Anyways, it's only right we end it n'indirimbo twabitangiranye nabyo ariyo ndirimbo yatuzanye hano gusoma ama comments yanyu kureba feedback yababikunze n'ababyanze ntabwo twebwe ntabwo dutandukanye abantu bose tubafatira hamwe icyarimwe. Yeah, ababikunze n'ababyanze bose comments twazisomye, feedback twayumvise ibyo gukosorwa n'ibyo gukorwa ariko tunabwira abantu ko that's the visualizer for Europe nakoze mu kwa gatandatu. It's just like a recap video nije wayikoreye literally on my phone, so stop over analyzing stuff, just look at what the fun is about. And yeah man, it will be on the same page. Last. Anyways, let's listen to Hanzo one last time. I'll let you guys go. Thanks for being here. Thanks for indulging in my live party at home. Edano. Alright. The name is DJ My People. Don't ever forget. Yeah. Uza kutindura sanga byarangiye twabyemeje basi on to the next. Hirya no hino urasanga byagoranye kubakendeje dano Virunga Silva one more time, you down know. Let's go. Cheers, man. Manila, tujihombe na sinda, ngozali kama pia, matena ziara kwika, ubayumane kofeshe tulianze, uwazenaje amuseka tetani, ubayumane kofeshe tulianze, basi. Tunjame, Now that I'm in your legs up on top, you come back. When I just in the beat, good time. In fact, I'm with you, don't say, oh, calm down. So we drink and we drink some more. All I just guess and we pop some more. That's the part that you said, uncle. Let's go, my nigga. So, Pidgey won't be not seeing that. Musali come out here. But then I see how quick up, my nigga. So, Pidgey won't be not seeing that. Musali come out here. But then I see how quick up. Who are you one? They could twist it to the eyes. Who was in the house? They could go down. Who are you one? They could twist it to the eyes. Who was in the house? They could go down. Much love to everybody, man. Which one choose? Aye. One last time. If you tuzalisubiramo one last time. Maybe next time. You're done. All right. Abantu tutasomea comment. Maybe next time. But just keep giving us your feedback. Mukomeze mukwandikira ibitekerezo byanyu n'ibyo twubakiraho kugira ngo dukore n'ibikurikiraho. Abadushimiye abadusupport mwese, thank you so much. Ntabwo nakwibagirwa gushimira again nkuko navuze ino video iri gutangira abantu bose badufashije mu gukora iriya visualizer, abemeye kuyijyamo, abemeye kudufasha kuko those are the people n'ubundi badufashije hirya no hino. Mwarakoze cyane. Alright, man, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, Sumi Maya, reka muhindi ndirimbo yawe. I'm gonna just play it in the outro, sibyo? Urayisabye kabisa umwanya muremure, nabandi umwana mubi nyikwimye kabisa. Amazina ni DJ Mapiko. Listen to this one last one. Sumi, I hope you're really happy. This is for you, Sumi Maya. We don't really care. You're mad at your vibe, love your body, your mind. Tell me what you think. I'm feeling easy when you hold me, oh my. I never thought that I could love you this much. And all my friends used to say, you expensive, it's a waste of my time, it's a shame. My life is a mess. It's been a while, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time, yeah? I guess we have to end this one. Let me see how we end it.